Did you know that the world's smallest flowering plant is so tiny it can fit on the tip of your finger? This is Wolffia, a remarkable plant that holds a special place in nature. It's not only the smallest flowering plant on Earth, but it's also a vital part of aquatic ecosystems. Wolffia is often called watermeal because of its small, round appearance that resembles tiny grains floating on water. At just 1 millimeter in diameter, Wolffia is smaller than a grain of rice, making it practically invisible unless you look closely. But despite its size, it plays a significant role in our world. The history of Wolffia goes back to the 19th century, when it was first discovered by European botanists. The plant was first described by the German botanist Friedrich Traugott Kutzing in the 19th century, who classified it as a member of the duckweed family. Wolffia can be found in freshwater environments all over the globe, from ponds and lakes to marshes and swamps. It's particularly common in tropical and subtropical regions, but you can also find it in temperate zones around the world. These plants float on the surface of still or slow-moving water. Though Wolffia is tiny, it's incredibly efficient. These plants can reproduce rapidly through a process called vegetative reproduction, where one plant divides into two. This allows Wolffia to form dense mats across the water surface, quickly covering large areas. In some environments, Wolffia can double its population in just one day. These plants are a crucial part of the food chain for aquatic life. Small fish, insects, and other water-dwelling creatures feed on Wolffia, making it a vital source of nutrition for many aquatic species. Additionally, the dense mats of Wolffia help reduce the growth of algae, keeping the water cleaner and healthier. Wolffia is also incredibly effective at absorbing excess nutrients from the water, such as nitrogen and phosphorus, which can lead to harmful algae blooms. By absorbing these nutrients, Wolffia helps maintain balanced water quality and promotes healthy aquatic ecosystems. This makes it a natural water purifier. Humans have started to recognize Wolffia's potential beyond its ecological role. In some parts of the world, Wolffia is used in food production. It is high in protein, vitamins, and essential amino acids, making it a great addition to diets. In fact, in some countries, it's being studied as a sustainable food source for the future, particularly for its potential to feed growing populations in an eco-friendly way. Researchers have begun investigating how Wolffia can be cultivated on a larger scale to provide a sustainable food source. It's incredibly rich in nutrients, with some species of Wolffia containing more protein than soybeans, making it an ideal candidate for alternative protein sources. Even with all its practical uses and importance to ecosystems, Wolffia remains one of nature's quiet wonders. Small, often overlooked, but essential to the balance of our planet's freshwater habitats. So, the next time you find yourself near a pond or lake, take a moment to appreciate these tiny floating wonders. Wolffia reminds us that even the smallest things can have the biggest impact. Whether they're purifying water, feeding aquatic life, or helping us imagine a more sustainable future, these tiny plants deserve our admiration and protection. If you're as obsessed with plants as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more plant facts, care tips, and cultural stories that will take your plant game to the next level.